Go to Meta AI. Create video to download. As you can see, may watermarks ng Meta AI. Ang laki ng watermarks. Let's solve this problem. Go to Google Chrome. Then type Downloader Cooley. Navigate to Downloader by Cooley Chrome Web Store. Then click Add to Chrome. After installing, go back to Meta AI. Click the video you want to download. Then click the extension name, Video Downloader by Cooley. If the link not appears, refresh Meta AI browser, then try again to open the video you want to download. Then try Open the Downloader by Cooley again. As you can see, makikita nyo yung link. Click the play button, then click the 3-dot to download. Oh ayan, wala nang watermarks ang video sa Meta AI.